Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of cybersecurity with a focus on achieving zero trust through Microsoft's Zero Trust workshops. Buckle up, because this is going to be a game changer for your organization's security posture. So what exactly is zero trust? In a nutshell, it's a security model that assumes no one, whether inside or outside your network, can be trusted by default. Instead, every access request is thoroughly verified before granting access. It's like having a bouncer at every door, checking IDs and making sure everyone is who they say they are. In fact, these bouncers assume everyone is a gatecrasher who's already snuck into the party. Microsoft's Zero Trust framework is built on three key pillars: identity, devices, and data. Each of these areas plays a crucial role in ensuring your organization's security. And guess what? We'll be exploring each of these pillars in detail in our upcoming videos, so stay tuned. Now let's talk about the engagement model. Microsoft's Zero Trust workshops are designed to be interactive and hands-on. You'll work with a NIST-aligned framework crafted by Microsoft IAM experts. These workshops will help you get stakeholder buy-in, and whether you're new to the Microsoft environment or an expert, you're sure to discover features you didn't know were part of your license. Just by attending these workshops, your key stakeholders will learn so much about what they have paid for already, your value will shine. You don't just say no, but you can help your stakeholders rinse every penny out of their licensing and make them compliant with pretty much every major legal or regulatory body with the evidence to back it up. Together, you'll develop actions that lead to detailed processes, ensuring you trust absolutely nobody. These workshops are not just about theory, they're about practical, actionable steps you can take to enhance your security. You'll leave with a clear understanding of where you stand and what you need to do next. Plus, you'll have access to a wealth of resources and support from Microsoft to help you along the way. So to sum it all up, we've introduced you to the concept of Zero Trust and given you a sneak peek into Microsoft's Zero Trust workshops. In our upcoming videos, we'll dive deeper into each of the three pillars and show you how to start your journey towards Zero Trust. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, stay secure and stay curious.